Hey everybody, so we're going to be playing Will You Press the Button because I'm bored and I want to have some fun, so that's what we're doing. You get everything you want, you have to give up all your hobbies. I mean, if I get everything I want, I don't give a fuck about hobbies. Hobbies are for people who don't have what they want. That's just, yeah. Okay. Well, you can make anything you want a reality. All bad things in your mind will become reality uncontrollably. I will not press that button because I've had some bad thoughts. I don't think, hey, yeah, good. Most people didn't press that button. That's good. Your lifetime dreams will come true. All of these are so like, dreams come true type thing. You crush someone else's lifetime dream. I mean, if I can't get what I want without hurting someone else, then I don't want it. But that's what life is, though. You know how many people have crushed my dreams, making their dreams come true? Like, not a lot, but there doesn't need to be that many. And it's like, reality is your treasure is someone else's lost shit, you know? Whatever you're getting is something that someone else could have had. You are crushing people's dreams constantly. That is just life. But I won't press the button because it's just not right. A lot of people press that button, huh? Cool. So cool. So awesome. You gain super sight and hearing, you lose your sense of taste. Nah, I don't want... Why would you want super hearing and shit? I will not press the button. Good. You would be able to control time, you would age twice as fast. No, I'm okay. You would be able to control time, blah, blah, blah. I already read that. You get to go back and skip braces. I never had braces. Yeah, I never had braces. So yeah. You don't need braces. There's other things you can buy when you're a child that hold your teeth in the right place so they don't get fucked up in the first place. Yeah. My cousin had one of those, never got braces, never went to the dentist, has really good teeth. Braces are a fucking scam, okay? You will receive $5 million every year until the day you die. You needed to spend 10 years in prison before you receive your first $5 million. No, I'm okay. It's, yeah, people just will be incarcerated for money, huh? 5 million's a lot of money. 10 years in prison is a long time. Be the first man on Mars, never go back to Earth again. That's so fucking stupid. It actually makes me angry reading this question. Yeah, stupid questions. You will become immortal. You will not be immune to aging and its effects. Well, then you're not immortal. One of the effects of aging is that your organs start to shut down, and that's what causes you to die. So you're not immortal. This is a stupid question. But I'm assuming what you mean is no one else can kill me. And that's a step up from what I have now, right? So I'm going to have to press the button logically. Yes. Wow, a lot of people didn't press that button. Don't know why. I guess they think they're gods or something. You have the ability to make anyone tell the truth. It's in another language. I mean, it's better than nothing, right? I'm going to press the button. The truth is pretty important. Wow, a lot of people press that button. I guess it's because they think that they'll just tell. I'll make all the Dutch people, I'm Dutch, say in English, and all English people say it in Dutch. Also all English. I'll make all Dutch people, I'm Dutch, say it in English. What do you mean you're making people say stuff in a different language? It's you, it's not anyone else. Whatever, maybe I'm being stupid, I don't know what he's saying. You can survive in space and you are able to do long distance space travel. You will never ever see Earth or humanity again. No, that's not fun. That's not, that would be painful. You would probably kill yourself. I will not press that button. A lot of people think that they would never kill themselves. Like, ever. Like, there was a thing on Facebook where, like, the question was, you know, what would you do if you woke up and you were the last person on Earth? I wrote, I would kill myself. Because there's no one there. You can't love anybody. You can't, well, you can love people, but they can't love you back. They're not fucking there. They can't love you in a physical way. They can't love you even in a heartfelt way. There's no love. There's no happiness. No, people aren't laughing and dancing around you. There's no TV to watch. Nothing's being run. The factories are down. Everything's down. There's no other person on Earth except for you, but you're going to be the one to fucking do what? What are you going to do? You can't progress anything. There's no one there to enjoy it. Like, people are overly optimistic. People are overly positive. They just think that they're so fucking righteous, you know? Pisses me the fuck off, okay? What you could do is try to clone people back to Earth. That's what you could do. You could try to clone them. Other than that, unless you got a time machine, you're fucked. So yeah, most people, if you're logically sane, if you woke up and you were the last person on Earth, what the fuck are you gonna do? Whatever. Whatever. Next. I should be more optimistic. I should just be like, yeah, I'll be happy by myself. I guess I have animals. Like, what? You get a random superpower. You become the small, talking animal sidekick with the last friend you touched. Why is this so out of place? You get a random superpower, but you become a small animal. No thanks. Talking would be a superpower for an animal. Stupid question. You have every cable channel. FX no longer has movies. I'll press the button. I don't watch movies on FX anymore. Anyway. Call of Duty is canceled. Kids will now flood into other franchises such as Valve games, etc. Sure. Whatever. I don't play Call of Duty anymore, really. You have one wish, the opposite will happen to a random person you like. I don't want to hurt anybody like that over some stupid fucking wish. Like, you have one wish, the opposite will happen. I'll just wish for something horrible to happen, and then something good will happen to a person that I like. Yeah, I'll press the button. Because some people need bad things to happen to them so they can learn. You meet the love of your life. You can only talk with 3 weeks out of the year. That's not worth it. I'm not going to press that button. It's not worth it. You might think it's worth it because you're young and stupid. It's not worth it. Trust me, it's not. You need to talk more than that. But if you can do it, you can do it. You can stop and rewind time whenever you want. You may not move forward any faster and must live from the point you've returned to. I'm not going to press the button. And we have enough time for one more, I think. Dinosaurs of the Jurassic Park. Cactus will roam the wilds once more. Yeah, I'm just going to say I will not. And that's it. Bye.